Poke, poke, and poke. Alrighty. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had 10 cows, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 10 cows. Where are the cows? Here. There's a cow here. Cow and cow. Moo. The cow says, yeah, moo, moo, moo. Alright, next page. Let's do next page. Next page. And on this farm he has 9 pigs. E-I-E-I-O. Wow. And an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. There's more here. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Pig, where's our pig here? Got 2 pigs here, I think. Can you fix her leg, please? Alright, put it here. Whoa, pigs. And pigs. Oink, oink, oink. Pig says. The pig says, oink, oink, oink. That's the eye of the pig. Let's say it together. Oh, oh. That's the mama pig, yes. And the baba, baby pig. Can we say oink, oink together? Oh, oh. Wow. Alright, next page. And on this farm he had chickens. 8 chickens. E-I-E-I-O. Mama. That's a mama chicken. Baba. And the baba baby chicken. There's more here. And a buck buck here and a buck buck there. Here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck buck. Old MacDonald had a farm. Look, here's our chicken. E-I-E-I-O. Chicken says, Papa. Papa. Mama. Mama. Yeah, we saw the mama chicken outside. Oh, yes. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had 7 sheep. E-I-E-I-O. And a baba here and a baba there. Mama. Here a Mama. That's the mama sheep. Baba. The baby sheep. Baba. Another baby sheep. Baba. Another baby sheep. More here. Here a there a everywhere a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ba. Let's look for the sheep here. I've got 2. Sheep and sheep. Sheep says, ba. Let's say, wow. Together, ba. And on his farm he had 6 ducks. E-I-E-I-O. And a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. And on this farm, yeah, there's a horse. Mama. It's a mama horse. Has 5 horses. Dada. That's a dada horse. And this one? Mama. The mama horse. E-I-E-I-O. Here like this. And a neigh-neigh here. Oh, oh, sorry. And a neigh-neigh there. Oh, you like the horse? Mama. That's a mama horse. Baba. And the baby horse. Everywhere a neigh-neigh. The horse says, the horse says, neigh. The Let's remove your strong. Okay. Need strong hand. You did it! Strong hand. Show me strong. Strong.
Mama.
That's the mama horse. Nay. Next page. And on this farm he has 4 goats. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, he has a hat. The farmer has a hat. Let's count them. Oh, the horse. Over here. This one is the goat over here. And a meh here and a meh there. What happened? I pressed together with Agatha. Ooh. Here a meh, everywhere with meh. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I will press. Okay, Mama will press. 1. This is the baby goat. And the mommy goat. This is the, who is this?
Papa.
The baby goat.
Papa.
Oh, that's a baby over there. With bubbles. Is he in the bathtub?
Papa.
He's in the bathtub. Yeah, he is. Let's press 2 more goats here. Meh. There you go. Everywhere a meh meh. That's a beaver. There's a mama goat. This one baby goat. And daddy goat. And Lola goat. Yeah. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, these are? And on this farm he had 3 cats. E-I-E-I-O. This cat is playing with a butterfly. This cat has a flower in his mouth. Oh, this cat has a ladybug on her nose. Meow. Meow. Oh, you press. And a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, like your cat. Everywhere a meow meow. Yeah. You want me to wind it up? Okay. Here's your cat. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. The cat goes. Wind it again. Okay. Again? Show me again. Yes. Okay. The cat says, meow, meow. Your turn? Meow. Again. The cat says, there you go. Woo! And on this farm he had 2 dogs. Woof woof, like Kuya Cooper. Here's your dog. E-I-E-I-O. And an out here and an out there. Ooh. Up again. Here and out. It's our turn. Oh. You bamba? What happened? Did you fall down? Hey, be careful. The dog says, ow. Your turn. Dog says, ow. Oh, you press the 2 dogs here. Let's count. 1 and 2 dogs. Ow. Wow. They're guarding the sheep. See? And on his farm he had 1 rooster. E-I-E-I-O. Ah, that's the mama bird. And the baby bird. And this one? Another mama bird. Okay. And a cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle-doo. The daddy chicken is a rooster. So this is the daddy chicken. Yes. Daddy pinched you?
Dada.
Daddy pinched you. Oh no. What will you do if somebody pinches you? You punch them. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Look, all your animals are here. Old MacDonald had pigs and sheep and chicken, another sheep and ducks and cows and dogs and goats. Wow! And a cat. Got cats and horses. All the farm animals. Say hi, farm animals. Hi, say bye-bye.
Nana. Nana. Dada.
Again. Again, I wind it up. Show me again. Again. Again, yes.